Hey there friends, Natasha with Simply Adorable Creations, and I am doing a quick recap of a DIY that I did over on Facebook. I made a really simple spring bead wreath. I took a wood craft round that I found at Michael's, some 1.5 inch craft bead, some florals that I got from Hobby Lobby, as well as so with these florals, what I was saying here is that I took some white spray paint and spray painted the floral leaves because I thought they looked a little bit too glossy and too green. So I took a little bit of white spray paint, just spray painted a little bit on there, and it looks a little bit more muted and a lot more real to me. And so I also got some flowers from Michael's, and this one is really simple. All you need is a hot glue, and you're gonna just glue each of the 1/2 inch half beads onto the round. You keep going until you have as many as you want. Now this round is 16 inches, so I used about the whole pack, which was almost 23. I think I used about 20. And then I'm going to take my staple gun and my glue, and I'm going to put the floral greenery around the wreath in the part that I left open. I'm also gonna take the glue and the staples and staple the flowers. And that's as simple as it gets, friends. This is something that you can totally do. I did it in less than maybe 10-15 minutes, and I really feel like it's something that you will enjoy. I can't wait to add this wreath to my door for spring. So in order to do that, I'm going to take a little bit of jute ribbon, and then I'm going to tie it around the top of my wreath, and then it's going to be ready to hang. You can use like a wreath hanger, or you can go get some command strips or command hooks from Walmart or somewhere like that, and you're good to go. Okay girls, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was super easy, wasn't it? Now, if you just like to simply decorate your home with tier tray decor or farmhouse, give me a thumbs up or a like for this video, and I'll see you next time.